welcome back. Today we're going to be making tortillas and eggs, also known as migas. This was actually one of the first dishes I learned to make shortly after learning how to scramble some eggs. And this was taught to me many moons ago by my Aunt Esther, may she rest in peace. Now, while this was known to me as tortilla and eggs, a little internet sleuthing shows that it's also known as migas, meaning crumbs, which to me says this is just another way to use whatever you've got in the fridge to make a meal. Maybe you're short on eggs, so this is really a great way to stretch out those eggs and sort of make use of any food that may be on its way out. So without further ado, let's get into it. First, I'll chop my onion and leftover bell peppers. Don't forget, this is a bonus step if you want to add a little extra flavor. Next, I will cut the tortillas into small squares, as large or small as you prefer. Then get to scrambling our eggs, making sure to incorporate some air while doing so to where you can see small bubbles form. And that's it, we are all set for prep, let's cook. Add some oil to a medium-high heat pan and let's sweat our onions and bell peppers. When those are where we want them, we'll set them aside and add a little extra oil before adding our tortillas. We'll move these around the pan for a few minutes until they get some color and become crispy. Bring back the onions, bell peppers, and add your scrambled eggs, along with a pinch of salt and pepper. Move everything around the pan until the eggs are cooked through. You can cook these a little longer if you prefer a hard scramble, or a little less if you're like me and prefer something in between. These look good to me, let's plate up. This really takes me back. You get a little bit of the crunch from the tortilla chips, and then you got some of that egg coming together quite nicely, which is really all you need for this recipe. And you know, with the onions and also extra bell peppers I had laying around, that just kind of elevates it a little more. And there you go, it's a quick and easy recipe. Great if you're running low on food in the fridge, or maybe you just need to get rid of some things. And that does it for this episode. It's an easy one and real approachable if you're still a little skittish or you're looking for some easy recipes to help you get sort of into the cooking groove. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. And until then, keep on cooking.